Vision, a leading state university and technological and professional education. Mission, develop a strong technologically and professionally competent, productive human resource imbued with positive values needed to propel sustainable development. Core values: E. Excellence, a personal and collective adherence to high standards and distinctive achievement. B. Value leading, guided with the highest practice of ethics, principles, and moral standards. S. Service-driven, with a commitment and motivation to excess with relevance and significance in providing help and assistance to the deserving. U. Unity in diversity, an agreement with one another, respect each other's worth and variety of beliefs and talents toward a synergetic goal. Goals. C. Commit to train students meet the standard of professional teachers in basic education. O. Official develop potentials of faculty and students in various fields of E. Empower faculty and students with research and extension capabilities that will raise the standard of instruction and cliente's quality of life. D. Develop a culture of excellence to continually increase the performance in the license examination for teachers and pre-employment skills. Objectives: provide training in the advanced and manipulative skills, technical knowledge, positive and safe habit support, and information necessary in preparing the individuals as world-class educators. Provide in-service and pre-service training to faculty and students respectively for the purpose of helping them obtain better job opportunities in the world of work. Provide the faculty and students with appropriate training in order for them to acquire advanced research capabilities and competencies. Render service to the university clientele in the transfer of various mature technologies. Harness the expertise of the faculty members and the students in the different fields of specialization to increase productivity. Increase the performance in the licensure examination for teachers let by 5% yearly. Program outcomes. Demonstrate in-depth understanding of the diversity of learners in various learning areas. Manifest meaningful and comprehensive pedagogical content knowledge of the different subject areas. Utilize appropriate assessment and evaluation tools to measure learning outcomes. Manifest skills in communication. Higher order thinking, and use of tools and technology to accelerate learning and teaching. Demonstrate positive attributes of a model teacher, both as an individual as a professional. Manifest a desire to continuously pursue personal and professional development. There's a new day breaking. There's a ray of light reaching every corner of the land. Its radiance keeps on spreading, bringing hope and strength and light. There's a flame that keeps on burning, attracting the mind, the heart, and the soul. Sending knowledge, truth, love, and wisdom, abundant blessings from God above. Beloved Eastern desires, State University, will bless and cherish forever. Born in our we give you a with pride throughout the nation. Shine with ransom light, all alma mater be. Lead our steps to of excellence, success, fulfillment, and glory awaits. Beloved is to desire us, State University.
You're the light that comes from above. You're the precious gift I have. I will treasure you in my heart. The utmost shelter of mine. You're the greatest pride of mankind. You're the golden fruits to reap. You're the sweetest hope of life. Oh, dear Science State University, your name is ringing in my heart. There is love and joy from the start. The abundance of your foundation is the great wealth of our nation. For you is the fountain of wisdom, and your light is shining freedom. You're the precious gift from heaven. You're the sweetest hope of the land.